Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Let's get started. YouTube auto dubbing feature is still experimental and not available on all videos. When it's available, you can switch between dubbed and original audio manually. So here's how. If the video supports dubbing, open the YouTube and the YouTube app, then tap the gear icon or three dots, then select audio track or audio option, then choose original audio to turn off the dubbed voice. This restores the creator's original voice instead of dubbed version. If you don't see audio track, that means the video doesn't use YouTube's auto dubbing system or the feature isn't yet available in your region. In that case, there's no dubbing to turn off. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.